Hi Asad. There is an issue actually on Uber site. We work on Uber here and submitted already Uber daily detail. In the past, I said some detail over here. That was just that was November 3. I last set on the site and work on that as your instruction. And today when I work on the site, I open the Uber site, and when I go over the site, I saw some problem. Actually, we are seeing here as the video we saw, you just here looking November 5 to 10. So this is a weekly report. There is a total earning weekly report, and there is also hour and here earning detail. And now there is as per November 5 to 11, and the result over here daily earning here is showing previous week really detail result. That means October 2019 to November 4. That is like this. But when I click over here and also I see the result, I saw that there is showing previous weekly report. That is October 22 to 28. That is previous week. So what is the matter actually? I don't understand. But I work as this instruction. Like today I set and put some result. That is December 1 and December 2, and also 11-13 November 13. This 3 days report I set over here, and also set the weekly report. That is actually that is the report is this here. I set it over here 3 days. The result I set it over here, and if I go to in the meantime there I have no result. That's why I cannot collect any information. So I collect the information. Here is showing December 3 to 9, but here you just look 26th November to December 2. I collect actually from here November 13, December 1 and December 2, and as per there I check out the weekly total, and also set on the online hour. So please check out over here. I set it here, and this is time. This is total earning amount, and also tips. I set it here. So it is I saw this the current balance. I set it this, and tip 25.00 I set it over as the a regular sheet point. So this is maybe perfect, but there is have some issue, and why this is happening I don't understand. December 3 to 9, but there is showing this like this. So please check out over there and give me some solution what is happening over here.